Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at a story from the Register about how AI Slop is negatively impacting at least one open source project. Let's jump into it. All right, so the Register is reporting that the curl project founder has grown increasingly frustrated with the number of AI-generated bug reports sent to the project's bug bounty program. It seems that the team is being inundated with bug reports that take time to investigate but ultimately turn out to be invalid. Effectively, it's like the project is being DDoSed. It's taking time and attention away from other things. It would seem that some people are feeding the source code for the project into AI and asking it to find bugs or vulnerabilities with the hopes of collecting the bounty. And it seems like many people have had the same idea. But unfortunately, this could pose a problem for any open source project, and I think the industry is going to have to work out a way to deal with it because I don't think it's going away anytime soon. In fact, the Python project complained about the same issue in December. But I think there's a little glimmer of good news here for the developers out there. Check this out. The curl project founder said that in 6 years, none of the AI-assisted reports found a single genuine bug. Not one. So for all you developers out there worrying that AI is going to take your job, never fear. AI still can't find a single bug in 6 years. But this AI slop situation is an issue, and it's concerning what it's doing to open source projects that have very limited resources but are vital to the technology that the world runs on. And AI slop is a problem that's probably just beginning and won't be limited to software development. Here's an article about how Meta is about to turbocharge AI slop advertising on its platforms, as if you needed another reason to stay off Facebook. But that's all I have on this for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.